This is Coverty Pearl by Baldocer Cerámica, Spain, part of an interior and matte ceramic wall tile collection that comes in two low-maintenance color choices, Coverty Pearl and Coverty Grey, as well as a textural 3D decor tile, Coverty Grey Altai. Whether you're looking for a backdrop to showcase bold decor or merely prefer more subdued surroundings, the eco-friendly Coverty collection is extremely versatile, working wonders on bathroom, bedroom, kitchen, living room, and home office walls alike. Coverty Pearl and Coverty Grey both feature a gently scoured visual effect, while the Coverty Grey Altai 3D decor tiles pronounced lines and lightly abraded surface toy with light and shadow to result in a unique and vibrant sculptural effect. Coverty will add both simplicity and sophistication to any type of homely interior, and is a lesson in style, not to mention textural and tactile delight.